What's going on? It's Metro Native Survival. Today we're going to make some bombastically awesome benches from splitting a log. Stay tuned. So Gary and I are eyeing up some logs, potential benches. Some big logs laying around. There's another one up there. So we're gonna split one to make two benches out of. The stuff has just been laying around probably for years at this point. It's real gnarly and kind of nasty, so it's good use. Instead of just letting it rot away into nothing, we can get something useful out of it, which is kind of a key tenet of bushcraft. Taking materials that, you know, it's like being thrifty. You know, it's like being a good scout, being thrifty in the forest. Take something that might be trash and turn it into something cool. Clear through right now, right here. And there it is.
That's how you split a log.
Split log. And not a textbook easy, fun one that was all prepped and dried and ready to be split.
If you get a nice, like that bottom half was pretty good.
You know,
it was pretty straight. But you can see as you get up closer to the top of this tree, you see the twist in the grain on the outside, you know. But
some big knots.
And of course, it's all get some damage here. It's all cracked in the middle.
Yep.
Let's see if we can clean it up.
Yeah.
Should still make a pretty solid bench.
Cleaning it up, huh? Giving it a flat surface. Now, oh yeah. Everything. It's nice. It's a cool tool. So these are ready to be used as benches as is, but Gary has one of these broad axes. I believe they're called. It's like old world stuff, man. I don't have any experience with this. I've seen videos of Swedish guys do pretty impressive things. They walk on the log and they cut backwards. Cool stuff. I'm gonna just try to take off this hump right here with this. I don't even know how to even use this tool. But the angle of the handle is off to the side, which I suppose makes sense if you're going down bottom, right? So you're not hitting your hand. Anyways, I'm gonna try to cut a little of this, see what happens. That's so rotten. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Yep.
Hold up a second. Let me sneak in and grab
Yeah,
a
sure.
here. Or two.
Yep. Yeah, I figured out I was holding it the wrong way. My hands were the wrong direction. It changed how I was swinging. Nice. That's a lot better. We'll work on this a little bit. It's real gnarly. This thing's awesome. Yeah, right on. It takes such thin cuts. I've got a hump up here. I'm gonna take this out right here. I'll give you a close up. Okay, so this is where I've hewn down. So I need to work on this a little bit. So I'm holding it lefty, working my way right. Standing in front of where it's cutting this way. Check marks first. Look at that. That's awesome. My leg's holding the log up. Yeah, this thing's cool, man. I'm gonna just like cut some stuff because I can. Look at that. That's awesome. That's a cool tool right there. I dig it. I'll show you the line I just made. Right here. See that line? It's not too bad for a gnarly, rotten piece of pine with knots, crazy grain. That's a cool tool, man. That's old school. How much you find that for? What'd you say, 30 bucks?
I think it was in the 30s.
Awesome. Awesome. Antique shop for the win. Not necessary to make a bench, but he just picked it up and happened to have it with him. Hadn't even used it yet, I don't think. So, yeah, I need to give it a shot. Right on, so let's say split a log
How's that handle repair holding up?
and prep it for a bench. Yeah, dude, the handle's holding up perfectly.
Good. So what do you say? You want to hoist that thing in and bring that over? Or?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's make some benches. So Gary has a cool way of making benches. He takes the round and puts a notch in it. Like a log cabin. So it sits. Gives us some more stability. There's a few ways to do this, right? Because it's split. It's stable like that. So you could lay it on just like that and sit on it just like that. Done deal. Another option is just use a round log and not even split it. Done deal as well. This way, put a notch in on the round side, and when you turn it around, you have a flat bench like these to sit on. As you can see, it's flat benches. That's not soupy at all, huh?
No. Things like chopping a sponge.
What do you think? Wanna try it?
Yeah, let's give her a shot. It's a little wobbly, huh?
Yeah, I think you need to take some from the back. Because it's front heavy when you flip it. Right here. See how it's lower?
Yeah.
Take that right there. Let me see. I'll do it. Alright, let's give it a shot. Not too shabby.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's try it out. Grab my bedroll. And this blanket. I'll make it long enough for you as well. Actually. You can sit down there too. Alright. Gotta finish that parachute, huh? Nice.
Yeah.
It's a seat in the woods.
Yeah. Nice flat. The other way works too. It's a lot easier too, but
Yeah.
I like a nice flat surface for my corpulent posterior.
Yeah, so that's 3 different ways you can make a log bench, right? So you can take a round and just use a round. You can split a log in half. Make sure you can see me. Right, so there's 3 ways to make a log bench. You can take just a log, just a round, and you can use that as your bench to sit on. You can also take a log and split it in half, and you can put the round side down like we've done today, and put notches so it's more stable, because the round bottom tends to want to rock. Or you could also take that same log that's split on one side, put the flat side down, and have a round side on the top, which would be like you know, using a log round, a standard log bench, and you'd get 2 out of it instead of 1, and it'll be flat. It will sit flat. It won't have any play in it, anything like that. So this is Gary's style of benches, and I've always been impressed with your benches. You have a couple camps,
Yeah.
and you have these benches everywhere.
I
so.
just like the nice flat surface to sit on. Because I noticed after a while
Parachute.
sitting on those round ones there,
They hurt your butt.
it literally turns into a pain in the
Pain in the butt, yeah. It's true. It's true. Yep, so these nice flat ones, man, they're awesome.
You can sit on these for hours, especially if you got something like this, like your blanket here. Man, that's comfy.
Changes the game.
Yeah.
This is like a wet log that, I mean, this thing is, like, I can wring some of this out if I want. It's nasty.
It'll dry out as
And,
it sits here. Now
oh,
it's
yeah,
up
of
off
course
the-
it will,
Now
yeah.
it's up off the ground.
But as of right now, I can throw the blanket
Yeah,
down,
yeah,
and it's like instant usability, right?
Instant comfort.
Yep. Right on.
Right on. Well done.
Good stuff, man. This is Mitch and Gary hanging out at the camp here, hanging out, making some benches. Thanks for joining us. See you guys in the next one. Later.